My subject is Advanced Communication Engineering. My topic is radar. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Then second is radar is essentially eco-ranging system. Eco-ranging system in which radar transmitter sends energy in the form of periodic of pulses and high power short duration. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Radar is essential eco-ranging systems in which radar transmitter sends energy in the form of periodic of pulses, high power jiba kintu short distance, means short duration. Then second is principles of radar. Then principles of radar. Principles. This is the figure. Radar display. Then that is transmitter. That is RX receiver. That is object. Or target. Then radar sends electromagnetic waves towards the object or target. Then pick up the waves, then reflected by the target or object, that is transmitter and receiver. Then second is a radar the radar is used first. It is used collect the informations about the object in which kilometer away. For example, in stationary ship or building in moving object is moving, that is ship or aeroplane. Then second is it is used to radio waves to detect and fix position of the target or object at a distance. Then radar range equation. radar range equation. First, radar range equation. First the transmitted pulse power PT, transmitted pulse power PT and isotropic antenna, then the power density at a distance r from the antenna. Then power density is defined as, that is, transmitted power to the surface area of the sphere. Surface area, that is surface area of the sphere, that is transmitted power, that is PT, but taku define kariba, that is watt. Then surface area, that is sphere in unit area, then defined as the PT by surface area, that is 4 pi r square. That is equation 1. Then second is, that is isotropic antenna. Then second is the directive antenna the power density of the directive antenna, the power density of the directive antenna is defined as the power density to the isotropic antenna into GT. Then power density of isotropic antenna, that is PT by 4 pi r square into GT. Where GT is the gain of the transmitting antenna. Then next is the power interrupted by the target is defined as that is equivalent cross-sectional area of the target into power density of the directive antenna. that is equivalent cross-sectional area of the antenna is that is sigma into power density of the dielectric antenna, that is PT GT divided by 4 pi r square. That is equation 3. Then next is the power density of the direct towards receiving antenna and the power to the echo signal of the radar, that is PT GT sigma by 4 pi r square divided by surface area, that is PT GT sigma by 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square, that is PT GT sigma divided by 4 pi square into r to the power 4. That is equation 4. Then power density of the receiving of the radar, that is PT GT sigma by 4 pi square into r to the power 4 into AE, where that is equation 5, where AE is the effective area of the receiving antenna. Then next is power gain of the receiving antenna, then GT GR is the power gain of receiving antenna. Then GR is defined as the 4 pi AE divided by lambda square. That is equation 6. Then the same antenna are used both transmitting and receiving. the same antenna are used for both transmitting and receiving, then GT and GR then GT and GR is equal to G. The equation 7. Then same antenna are used for transmitting and receiving, that is G. Then next, then GT G is equal to 4 pi AE by lambda square. Then PR is in equation 7, that is sigma AE GT PT divided by 4 pi square r to the power 4. That is equation 8. Then putting the value of GT in equation 7, putting the value of GT in equation 8, that is PR is equal to sigma AE 4 pi AE square PT divided by 4 pi square R4 lambda square. That is the equation number 9. Then what is R4? That is sigma AE square 4 pi cancel, that is PT divided by 4 pi PR lambda square. That is equation 10. Then R maximum is, that is R maximum, then maximum radar range equation R is, maximum is defined as that is sigma is the equivalent cross-sectional area of the target, then AE square, that is effective area of the target, then PT, that is transmitted power of the target, then 4 pi PR, that is PR part को define करिए, that is P minimum, that is minimum receivable radar by power, then lambda square, where lambda is the wavelength of the radar to the power 1/4. Then what is the radar range equation? Then radar range equation, that is defined as the sigma A square PT divided by 4 pi P minimum lambda square. Let us example the following data in radar range equation. What is the maximum radar range equation? The following data. First, transmitted power. Following data, transmitted power, that is PT, that is 500 kilowatt. Then 500 kilowatt means just converted to watt, that is 500 into 1000 watt. that is 5 into 10 to the power 5 watt. Then second is sigma, equivalent cross-sectional area of the target, that is 20 meters square. Then AE, that is effective area of the receiving antenna, that is 5 meters square. Then next is lambda. Lambda is, that is wavelength of the power, wavelength of the signal of power, that is 3 centimeter. Just 3 centimeter, just converted in meter in SI unit, that is 3 by 100 meters. Then lastly is P minimum. P minimum is minimum receivable power. Receivable power, that is 10 to the power minus 13 meter. Then data are given. Then given is, that is, then find the maximum radar range equation, that is R is sigma AE square, that is effective area of the receiving antenna, then PT, then transmitted power of the isotropic antenna, divided by 4 pi P minimum, the minimum receivable power, then lambda square, then wavelength of the signal. Then value is sigma, that is 20. Then A square, that is A is 5 meters square, then 5 into PT, transmitted power, that is 5 into 10 to the power 5, divided by 4 pi into P minimum receivable power, that is 10 to the power minus 13, into lambda square, that is wavelength of the signal, both transmission and reception, that is 3 by 100 meters to the power 1 by 4. Then R is 10, 2 into 10 into 5 into 5 into 10 to the power 5. divided by 4 pi into 10 to power minus lambda square into 10 to power minus 30 into 3 by square, that is 2 into 5, 10 into 10 into 10 to power 5 into 25 divided by 4 pi into 10 to power minus 30 into 9 pi to the power 1 by 4. That is 10 to power 7 into 25 divided by 36 pi into 10 to power minus 17 to the power 1 by 4. That is 25 into 10 to power 7, then 10 to power 17, that is 10 to power 24 divided by 36 pi divided by, that is radar range, maximum radar range equation to the power 1 by 4. Then 25 by 36 pi 1 by 4 into 10 to power 6. Then finally is radar range equation, that is 20 by 30, that is 686 kilometer. Then what is the radar range equation? Then finally sigma A square Pt by 4 pi P minimum lambda square to the power 1 by 4. Then conclusion, then radar is detect snow, heavy rains and fog. To detect, it is able to CP, that is controlled by collecting the position of the accurately. Then finally it is used determine the target of the radar accurately. Then it is not, then the disadvantage of radar, it is not recognize the snow, smell, color and dimension. Then second is, it is recall the not for specially short distance. Then radar is used in eco ranging system. Thank you.